I'll show you how you can log into Facebook with a password. First off, you want to enter in your email, of course. Now on your email, after you've entered in your email, then you want to enter in your password. So of course, just enter in your password. I'm just going to type out mine. I'm going to blur out my keyboard so I don't reveal my own password. But after you have entered in your own password there, you can see now the password is filled and now the email is filled as well. Once both of those are filled, tap on login. Now, once you have logged in, you can see it'll show a quick loading icon here. Now, it might take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your internet. You can see for mine, it's gonna take a couple of seconds to maybe a couple of minutes at max, but you can see after a while, that's it. Now I have logged in into my account. You can see on my account section here, you can see I have logged in, as easy as that. So for your password, you do need a password and of course an email. If you have forgotten any of those, there is a way to reset them, but that's going to be a different topic in a later date. So that is how you log in with your password.